They know the sounds, no? That's them started.
They've come out, but they've not wanted to be out.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Cebu Safari and Adventure Flight proudly present the Bird Show.
Ah.
Introducing our host for today.
So good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Hi, everyone. Okay, hi. Do you see our group of pigeons? Did you know that pigeons were used as a messenger to carry out message to our friends, families, and loved ones? Now, ladies and gentlemen, relax and enjoy, as our favorite friends are going to show us amazing tricks, awesome stunts, guest participations, and important environmental message. Now, I'll ask you, are you ready to be amazed with our favorite friends? Alright, now to start with, let me call my partners named Mr. Ian, together with our blue gold makanit Amigo. So Amigo originated from South America and he inhabited in the rainforest of Brazil. And by the way, Amigo is a responsible bird. He loves to see his environment clean. What will you do with the trashes, buddy? So he picked up. No, you need to open a bean and jump it inside. Good bird. Coca-Cola can. So he picked up the Coca-Cola can, walked all the way. No, jump it inside. Good bird. Okay, let's try. So he picked up the paper, walked all the way, open the bin, and jump it inside. Now see if the birds can do, why can't we, right? So always put your trash in the trash bins, as the saying goes, cleanliness is next to godliness. Now every amigo, together these five favorite friends has something to tell us. Okay, what do you think of that?
Talking too fast.
Come on. So welcome to Cebu Safari's Bird Show. Now, ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, now here comes our flight mahals. So here's our dream local mahal saying Kyle and Carl. By the way, there's more. Okay, glide on the stage, buddies. So we have to our six blue and gold mahals saying Hari, Hariton, and Makan and Torn, and one green word McLean. So mahals are very Stop eating. Alright, now Mr. Iron, what is Jamal's favorite food?
Onion, seafood, and vegetable.
Okay, so Jamal loves to eat ripe seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Okay, what is Jamal's favorite subject?
English and math.
Okay, are you sure? You're not sure. Okay, now plus 6. Okay, look at numbers first. No, no, no. Do it first. 5 plus 6. Balik. No, no, no. Come here. Okay. 5 plus 6. No, no, no. Stop eating. Come here. 5 plus 6. Do you go first? First number, repeat the number 1. Okay, we'll give you 3 1. Last number. Jumbo. Come here. Good girl. Alright, pick up number 1 again. 5 plus 6 is plus 2.
Because daga is telling him naga. Pointing one.
Jumbo, thank you so much, Marie. And at this moment, I need volunteers. Inside the land of volunteer. I need 1 pig and 1 apple. So we just need someone who's set up the bridge.
You want to go to this? Go, 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 run.
We have their staff.
Go, 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 go. Faster na, go down.
Yeah, lower that, sir.
Got
Lower.
one. Your hand. Don't be afraid. Won't bite you.
Okay, are you ready? Hi, baby girl, are you ready? Do it like this. Sideward.
Don't be afraid, okay?
Open your palm.
Open your palm.
Open.
Open.
Open, Denise.
Cute. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to meet our cute and mommy signing your name.
Don't be afraid. She'll drop it.
Don't be afraid, okay?
Straight, straight, wearing red.
Yay! Higher, knock, higher. Higher.
But he is also a good lead.
Smile and you have to pay.
He will go back inside to
Well
all his
done.
friends. And by the way, what he is eating is like flower seeds.
Okay, come here, Nana. Come here, Nak. Very good.
What is friends?
Ah.
Reach from their head, down its other parts, and green wings. And ayan sa pinag more. Other yes, in the wild, they spend most of their time in their nest playing, and they are also called some parakeets in South America.
It's only one.
Okay. With your one hand naman, it's either right or left. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to meet our another group of Santeneers or couple bird named Ling and Dawn. Careful. So, Santeneers are monogamous type of bird. That means they only have one partner for a lifetime. Like sana all, and when their partner dies, that's the only time they will find for another mating partner. Once a long lifespan, they can live 20 to 25 years in the wild, while in captivity, they can live up to 30 to 35 years. Thank you. Okay, last one. Adult again. I need someone with money. That's a bill.
With money.
Okay, money. 20, 50, but much better 1,000.
Ano money, oh?
What?
1,000 bill. Wow.
Hello, good afternoon. Please kasama at the stage, ma'am, and stand up here beside me. And please keep your money for a while in your pocket. So lang sa kadali. And I will ask what's your name? Vivian. Okay, Vivian. Now, I have your ink cutter, so please hold it with your 2 hands like this. Down, and please don't do extra movement, just relax and don't talk. May I ask you, Miss Vivian, are you ready? Yeah. Are you sure? Sure, that's sure. Good. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to meet our beautiful lorries. Alright, so we have here a black cotton rainbow lorry, and inside the platter we put in honey because they like in honey, seeds, nectars. Okay, you're done? Just don't move nothing. Okay, we'll just wait for a while. Just relax. You're shaking. Dance. Put your money like this. So dip. And don't do extra movement. And never ever touch the floor. Again, I will ask you. You ready? Are you sure? Okay, you're sure. You have extra money, right? And you're also okay.
Wow,
Now,
nasa bird.
ladies and gentlemen, I want you to meet another cute and colorful son figure named Sunny. So Sunny loves money, and normally in the world, they love to pick up things to build their nest. Now Sunny will pick up her money. So he flies with his Vivian and the 1,000. You get to put it on yan? Thank you so much.
Ah!
Is it all fun? Is it all fun? Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Another 1,000. Asa itong kanisa sila takot kanina? Diba? I'm just kidding, you will return your money po. So please come up here again. Okay, stand up here. Stretch your arms and open palm. Because Sun is going to return your money. 500, right? Alright, asa na yung mga 30? 1,000, buddy. Where are you?
Okay.
Nalami? Put it up slowly.
Ah!
So from us, our son here named Sunny. Thank you so much. And from the jungle of South America, let's wander the rainforest of Brazil, because we have our yellow-crowned Amazon parrots together with their mentor Miss Rachel.
Amazon parrot.
What is the name?
So yellow-crowned Amazon parrots is the most commonly kept Amazon due to its talking ability and playfulness.
Yes, we make to cut the sound what we heard every day.
So everyone, this is Lonnie, and that is Rudy. Can you say hi? You say hello. Again, say hello. How about you? Say hello. No, say hello. No? Okay, stop playing Pareho. Stop playing. Okay, last one. Say hello to them. Say hello. Okay, no, Miss Rachel, what else did you
No.
make?
Yes, they can mimic the different sounds of the animals, just like a rooster, a cat, and a dog. And also they can mimic the telephone ringing.
Okay, let's do the... Okay, rooster first. Nani? Rooster playing, buddy.
He's not in the mood.
Okay, again. Rooster. Last one. Rooster. Okay. How about cat? Cat. Okay, you need to stop playing na lang. Okay, cat. Sound.
Ayaw.
Okay,
Meow,
Ruby's very
meow.
good. How about you, Rani? No. Okay, ready to the bark. Stop. Okay, straight to whistle. Whistle. Very good. Next one. And okay, now Miss Rachel,
Yeah.
I also heard you have a hidden talent.
Yes, they love to sing, but before they sing, we need to have a warm-up first.
Okay, let's do the warm-up. Okay, well, I guess you're ready for the first song. So, okay, Rudy, do the first song. Okay, for the second song, let me ask who's celebrating their birthdays today? Or Uma, or the hapon? Anyone? Happy birthday, Ann! Listen careful because Nani and Rudy will sing happy birthday song. Please stop playing. Okay, sing the happy birthday.
Sing happy birthday. Sing happy birthday.
Come on. Nobody do it clearly and loudly na lang. Okay, last one na, last one. Happy birthday, Rudy. Thanks to me. Rudy, okay, say happy birthday.
To you. Happy to you.
And practice inside. And stop playing also, okay?
Ang isa one, the other one is not working.
So you already witnessed the extraordinary skills and talents of our cute and fluffy birds. Now it's time to meet some raptors, our birds of prey. Now our birds of prey are going to showcase an extraordinary skills and flight styles. So our first bird of prey, please all sit down everyone. Hold your babies, remain seated and be observant because we have here our stature prey. Okay, so please sit down everyone. As you can see, Blair looks familiar. Here. They are locally known as breakfast. No, you need to go home. Good. Very so also our Dominica and named Lighter. Okay, get inside. That's it. Alright. And let's proceed to our second bird of prey, the urinal bird of prey. Now the urinal meaning they're active during daytime. Now the lure serves as the real food or the real prey because our bird is going to showcase how good he is at
Nasa tubangan.
Nothing out there.
Nasa tubangan.
So Philippine Hog Eagle is under the red list of IUCN as endangered species threatened by habitat loss. And we have here Mr. Ian. He has the real food or the real prey because hunter will not let go of the lure without an exchange. And as you observe, Mr. Ian is wearing the gloves for the protection of the sharp and large talons of the birds. Please slowly. Over the diet team with Brahminic guide, they love these small mammals, reptiles, and birds, and they have a wingspan of 105 to 125 centimeters. Round of applause for Philippine Hog Eagle named Hunter. And from the urinal, let's go to the opposite, which is the nocturnal, meaning active during nighttime, and they do their hunting at nighttime. So ladies and gentlemen, relax and be silent, because we have here the night creature of the Philippines, our Philippine Eagle owl named Tattoo. Come here. Okay, so let's talk about owl. So this type of owl is the largest owl in the Philippines. They have a large head and a bulging eyes, and their eyes are very good in total darkness, so they can see 10 times better than the human's eye. And when they fly almost silently due to their special feather structure that reduces turbulence. And for their diet, same with the other birds of prey, they love to eat small mammals, reptiles, and birds, and they are locally known as bukaw or quago. Good side. Start from all our Philippine Eagle owl named Tattoo. And from the medium-sized bird of prey, let's move on to one of the largest bird of prey with that. Again, hold your babies, remain seated, no one will stand up, and don't try to reach out. Our bird is for your own safety, because our bird will fly closer to you. Again, remain seated, no one will stand up, and don't try to reach out our bird. So we have our turn of the Mr. Chris. Are you ready, sir? Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, for the grand finale, keep your heads up high to the right. Well, si Eagle named Marina. So white mountain eagles also called as the king of the sea. They have a white plumage from their head down to its other parts, and their back and wings are dark green in color. And they are found throughout Southeast Asia, Tasmania, and Australia. And as with the other birds, the female is slightly bigger than the male.
Yeah.
And her type of prey love to eat aquatic animals, just like sea snakes and small fishes. You ready? Okay, hold it, buddy.
Oh, I did not come to him.
This side. Good, great. So we're also talking about Eagle named Marina. And this moment, we have our flying lorries all the way from Australia. So we have three types of lorries, the Husky lorries, the Chatline lorries, and the Red Bull lorries. And to make it more memorable, we have here the symbol of love. Peace. And also we're spotting Ivy's.
Oh, flamingo. Flamingo, look.
Before we talk about our show,
There.
let me introduce the people behind the success of the show. My partners is Mr. Aya together with Marina, our brand assistant trainer, Mr. Chris, Miss Rachel, Mr. Irvin, Mr. James, Mr. Ronan, our Sama, Mr. Benjamin, and last but not the least,
Flamingo,
our
look.
professional
Oh,
bird
is it
trainer,
flamingo? That one?
Mr. Aikan,
No.
all the way from Singapore. And yours truly, my name is Anne, and I hope you enjoy the show. Thank you, everyone.
Bye!
Ito mga itik.
That's it. We're going to the garden, Dad.
Where is that?
At the bottom bit.
How do you know? Let's go.